Hello and namaste, dear listeners, and welcome back to the Kapil Gupta Career Pod Show, the place where big dreams meet practical action. Now, if you're an Indian student dreaming of studying abroad, today's episode is going to be a game changer. Applying to universities in the US, UK, Europe, or Australia can feel overwhelming. Endless research, exams, essays, recommendations, and deadlines. But here's the good news: you no longer need to fight this battle alone. Artificial intelligence is no longer just for tech geeks, it has quietly become your secret weapon to plan, prepare, and polish your entire application journey. In the next few segments, I'll walk you through 5 AI powered tools and strategies that can help you research universities, prepare for tests, write winning essays, and even network with current students and alumni. And by the end of this episode, you'll not only know which tools to use, but also how to use them ethically and effectively so your applications shine with authenticity. So grab a notebook or just open your phone's notes app because this checklist might be the roadmap to your dream campus. Hi, I'm Kapil Gupta, career coach, life mentor, and founder of Study Abroad Academy. I'm on a mission to help 100,000 high school students break free from confusion, fear, and self doubt and step into global classrooms, powerful careers, and a life they love. Now, this isn't just about studying abroad, it's about building clarity, confidence, and character. Now, I do it with coaching, mindset work, and the game changing power of graphotherapy because students deserve more than just guidance, they deserve transformation. So, before we dive into the tools, let's first understand why AI is a game changer in the study abroad journey. So, applying to an overseas university is not just about filling a form. It's about making hundreds of small decisions: which country, which course, which university, what test scores, how to present your achievements, and how to stand out among thousands of applicants. Now, AI doesn't do the work for you, it amplifies your effort. Imagine a 24 by 7 assistant that helps you research, edit, and plan without judgment or delay. Now, that's what AI brings to the table: speed, accuracy, and personalized guidance, freeing you to focus on your unique journey. So, one of the most challenging parts of any application is the statement of purpose, popularly known as SOP, that is your personal essay. Now, this is where AI can truly shine. Tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, or Grammarly Go can help you brainstorm ideas, structure your essay, and polish your language. But let's be clear: AI should not write your story for you. Admission officers can easily detect a robotic or generic essay. Instead, use AI to create an outline, suggest better sentence structures, or improve grammar and flow. For example, start by writing your raw experiences, why you chose your field, your key achievements, and what excites you about the program. And then feed this draft into an AI writing assistant. Now ask it to create an outline, suggest alternate introductions, or make your tone more professional. Finally, inject personal details, that is, names of professors, unique projects, or specific campus features that only you can know. So, this balance of AI efficiency and human authenticity creates an essay that stands out. So, even the best writers need a second pair of eyes. And AI is the ultimate proofreader. Tools like Grammarly, Pro Writing Aid, and Hemingway Editor catch subtle grammar mistakes, awkward phrasing, and readability issues. Imagine submitting an SOP with no typos, perfect punctuation, and crisp clarity. It immediately tells the admissions team that you care about details. Run your essay through these tools, but always review changes to ensure your natural voice remains intact. Remember, polish enhances credibility, but over editing can make your story sound mechanical. So, finding the right university is like searching for a needle in a haystack. AI driven platforms such as Yocket, Leap Scholar, and Unibuddy analyze your grades, budget, test scores, and preferences to recommend programs that truly fit your profile. Instead of spending weeks scrolling through random websites, you can input your details and get a personalized shortlist within minutes. Now, here's a pro tip: treat these results as a starting point, not the final word. For every recommended program, visit the official website, explore faculty profiles, and check alumni success stories. AI saves you time, but your human research ensures accuracy and passion. For exams like IELTS, TOEFL, GRE, or GMAT, AI based platforms such as Magoosh, Duolingo English Test, or Elsa Speak offer adaptive study plans. Now, these tools identify your weak areas, create customized question sets, and give instant feedback. For speaking tests, some apps even score pronunciation and fluency using machine learning. Use AI for quick daily practice. 15 minutes of targeted drills can beat hours of random study. Pair AI with full length mock tests every few weeks to build stamina and confidence. So, getting inside information from current students or alumni can make or break your application. AI enabled platforms like Unibuddy, Converge, or LinkedIn AI's suggestions help you find mentors who share your interests, summarize their profiles, and recommend personalized questions to ask. Prepare a short introduction, mention a specific program or project, and politely request insights. Now, these connections can provide tips about hidden scholarships, campus culture, and even job prospects after graduation. So, now imagine combining these tools into a single workflow. Start by using a university matcher to build your target list. Then create a profile map of each program, required scores, deadlines, and essays. Use AI test prep to hit those scores. Draft your SOP with an AI writing assistant. Polish it with grammar checkers and validate your choices by networking through mentor platforms. Each step saves time, reduces stress, and raises the quality of your application. Many students misuse AI by copying generic outputs or blindly trusting recommendations. So don't fall into that trap. Admission committees value authenticity. Always insert your own achievements, experiences, and goals. Double check every fact the AI provides. Think of AI as a smart co pilot, not the pilot. It can guide your journey, but only you can fly the plane. It's tempting to let AI do the heavy lifting. But remember, universities are looking for real people, not perfect robots. Your honesty, personal insights, and genuine passion will always outweigh machine generated perfection. Use AI to enhance your story, not to replace it. Authentic applications build trust and open doors to scholarships, internships, and lifelong networks. So, my friends, the future of global education is here and it's powered by AI. So, whether you're applying to Harvard, Oxford, or top program in Canada or Singapore, these tools can give you an edge. And if you use them wisely, start small. Pick one tool today. Maybe draft a paragraph of your SOP or run your latest essay through a grammar checker. Share your progress with a mentor or friend. Now, these tiny steps taken consistently, will transform your study abroad dream into a concrete reality. So, if you found this episode helpful, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with a friend who's also planning to study abroad. Subscribe to the Kapil Gupta Career Pod Show for more actionable tips and message me about which AI tool you're excited to try first. Remember, AI is not here to replace your hard work, it's here to multiply it. Use it wisely, and the world's best universities could soon be calling your name.